Aged care in Australia is at a crossroads. By 2023, nearly twice as many Australians will need aged care services compared to today. Not only will more Australians need care, they'll be demanding a greater say in how that care is provided. While there is broad agreement on the need to move to consumer-directed care, the current aged care system doesn't support this. Providers will need to offer more integrated services. They'll also need to work more closely with other providers. To respond to consumer needs, providers are looking to improve the productivity of their workforce by reducing the administration and travel burden, maximising face-to-face care time and providing unobtrusive monitoring or assistance to reduce the load on carers. Today's arrangements aren't sufficient to meet the needs of tomorrow. What's the answer? It's not simply more of the same. Instead, leading providers are working to improve the productivity of their workforce, reduce administration burdens and maximise face-to-face care. The key enabler for this is the better use of information and communications technology, or ICT. By harnessing the power of technology, the entire industry can continue to provide high-quality care more affordably. And to meet future needs, ICT investments must be closely integrated to manage the needs of providers, consumers and carers. Take the area of e-health, for example. E-health provides the right health information to the right person at the right time in a secure electronic format. This ends the era of paper records while enabling improved continuity of care and medication management. Now consider the area of telehealth and mobility. Here, providers can use home monitoring, call centres and HD quality video consultations to manage certain medical conditions and allow more people to remain in their homes for longer. These solutions can enhance quality of care for chronically ill consumers by improving integration of care planning, personal health support, medication management and holistic services. Also, ICT can help in addressing management information and reporting and improving quality of care. ICT allows providers to undertake sophisticated information management, analytics and reporting to drive continuous improvement across industry and government. Managed services can also help reduce capital investments required to access the latest technologies and support. So where do aged care providers and governments start? The key is to think big, start small and scale rapidly. Aged care providers should start by critically evaluating their current ICT capabilities against the standards currently being developed by industry. Providers should evaluate how effective their capabilities are and where do the limitations lie. To make it happen, aged care providers may need to add board members with ICT expertise, enhance ICT investments, solutions and governance processes. A unified voice and an agreed future direction is essential for industry peak bodies to work with government to deliver on this vision. For their part, government should invest in creating a framework that enables the sector to innovate and adapt, including stable policies and investments. Government should also work with the industry's peak bodies and their IT Council to seed innovation and develop programs that enhance ICT across aged care, as they've done with pharmacists and general practitioners. Most importantly, both providers and governments need to act now. Improved use of ICT can deliver substantial benefits to the sector. Governments can enhance care quality, safety and improve productivity. Consumers gain more choice and control over the services they receive and better care for themselves and their loved ones. Providers can deliver service offerings that better meet consumer needs and develop more sustainable and cost-effective business models. After all, the cost of inaction is high, as the present system can't effectively scale to meet future demands. Given rising demand and cost pressures, the quality of care will suffer unless the industry embraces the use of ICT. This is an industry responsibility and a national challenge. The Aged Care Industry IT Council, with support from Accenture, have developed this vision to help providers and government chart a path forward. This is to lift the status of technology in the sector, to ensure that our aged services can affordably and efficiently meet the needs of Australians today and well into the future. For more information, contact acititc.com.au, agedcare.org.au, laser.asn.au, accenture.com.